Hello student, good morning once again. Myself Parvat Madam and I would like to teach you in this video division of polynomial. Okay, this concept is so important and you have to give your complete and 100% attention to understand this division. Okay, now the instruction is that I write here two questions. Divide 2x square plus 3x plus 1 by x plus 2, and second one is divide 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5 by 1 plus 2x plus x square. Okay, we have to do the division of these two polynomial. Now in first question I have to divide this polynomial by x plus 2. Okay, so this is a dividend. So I said it is a p of x. P of x is equal to 2x square plus 3x plus 1, and it is a divisor. So it is g of x. G of x is equal to x plus 2. Okay, I have to divide this polynomial by this. So if we do the division, then here is p of x, it means that 2x square plus 3x and plus 1. Here is what? X plus 2. Okay, now we have to do the division of this and we have to find quotient and its remainder. Now how we can start the division? First step is how we can start the division. First of all, look this term. Here is 2x square and here is only x. Understand? So we need some rough work of this. Okay, okay, now here is 2x square and here is x. Okay, so I have to write here 2x square and divide by this x. Okay, it means that 2x square means what? 2 into x and divide by x. So x cut. We have only 2x. Okay, now I have to start the division with this 2x. I have to put this 2x here. 2x. Now 2x, this 2x into this whole divisor. So we have 2x into this whole divisor means what? X plus 2. X plus 2. 2x into this whole. If we simplified it, then we have 2x into x. 2x square plus 2x into 2 means 4x. Understand? So I have to write these two terms here. Okay, so we have 2x square plus 4x. Now we have to change the sign of it. We have to do the subtraction of this. So this 2x square is here negative, plus 4x is become negative 4x. Okay, now these both terms are cut. Here is plus 3x minus 4x. This sign is नेगेटिव. वी हैव टू डू द सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ दिस. ओके, हमें ये दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है. जैसे कि प्लस 3 एंड माइनस 4, प्लस 3 एंड माइनस 4. इफ वी डू द सब्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ दिस, देन वी हैव ओनली माइनस 1, बट हियर इज x, सो वी हैव ओनली माइनस x. सो हियर इज माइनस x and this plus 1 is here plus 1. Clear? Now we have to repeat this same step. It is a rough work. Okay, no need of rough work in your examination. It is just for your kindly information so that you can understand this whole concept. Now first step is minus x. So I write here minus x and now divide by this x. So I have to divide by this x, then the answer is only minus 1. Okay, so minus 1 I have to put here. Minus 1. Now the multiple of minus 1, the multiple of minus 1 with x plus 2. Understand? So here is x plus 2. If we leave the bracket, then the answer is minus 1 into x, minus plus minus, and 1 2s are 2. So we have minus x minus 2. We have the value minus x minus 2. Again we have to do the subtraction of this. So here is plus, here is minus, so here is plus, here is minus, then here is plus. You have to change this sign. Okay, so this both will cut. Plus 1 and plus 2. This minus is not considered here. Plus 1 and plus 2 we have 3. Okay, so this is the remainder and it is a quotient. Okay, so the quotient is called q of x. Q of x is equal to 2x minus 1, and this 3 is called remainder. This 3 is remainder. So r of x is 3. Okay, so when we divide this polynomial by this, then the quotient is 2x minus 1 and remainder is 3. Done. Any doubt in this division? Okay, no need of this rough work. But if you are not able to calculate direct, then you have to do this type of rough work, so that there are no chance of any mistake. Now look into the second question. It is p of x and it is g of x. Okay, so I have to write p of x is equal to 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5, and it is g of x. But I have to rearrange it. Here is one constant term, then the term x, then the term x square. But first term is according to the power x square plus 2x plus 1. Okay, so I rearrange it in this way. Now I have to do the division of the same. Then here is p of x means 3x cube plus x square plus 2x plus 5, and here is x square plus 2x plus 1. Now how we can start the division? ठीक है, अब यहाँ पर क्या आएगा ये समझने के लिए आप लोगों को रफ वर्क करना पड़ेगा. कैसा रफ वर्क? तो देखिए यहाँ पर 3x क्यूब है, यहाँ पर क्या है सिर्फ x स्क्वेयर है. फर्स्ट टर्म को इनसाइड का फर्स्ट टर्म 3x क्यूब है, आउटसाइड का फर्स्ट टर्म सिर्फ x स्क्वेयर है. तो यहाँ पर हम क्या वैल्यू पुट करेंगे ताकि ये दोनों का मल्टीपल ये हो जाए. ठीक है, तो उसके लिए हमने रफ वर्क किया. सो वी हैव टू डू हियर रफ वर्क. द रफ वर्क इज 3x क्यूब. This 3x cube is divided by x square. Okay, 3x cube divided by x square means what? 3x into x into x. There are 3x and in denominator there are only 2x. X cut, only 3x is answer. Okay, so the answer is only 3x. Now we have to put this 3x here. So 3x. In quotient we have to put 3x, so that 3x into x square, 3x cube. Clear? So now next step you have to multiply 3x. If you have to do the multiplication of 3x with whole g of x, means x square plus 2x plus 1. Done. Now if you leave this bracket, then what is the answer? Here 3x into x square, 3x cube plus 3x into tx means 3 2s are 6, x into x, x square. Now 3x into 1, so we have only 3x. Okay, so this put this whole terms, there are 3 terms, 1 2 3, put this whole at here. So we have 3x cube plus 6x square plus 3x. Now it is a plus, so it become minus. We have to do the subtraction of this. In division we have to do this subtraction. So plus, here is minus, here is plus, so here is minus. Now first term cut, plus x square minus 6x square. Okay, plus x square minus 6x square. We have minus 5x square. So the answer is minus 5x square. Now plus 2x minus 3x. Plus 2x minus 3x. We have to subtraction it. So minus x. Here is minus x and this 5 will come here. Okay. So these steps are important. This addition and subtraction are so important. Now we have to do the same rough work again. Once again we have to do this same process. Here is minus 5x square. Minus 5x square and divided by x square. Divided by x square. Then x square cut. We have only minus 5. We have to put this minus 5 here. Now next step we have to do the multiplication of minus 5 with whole g of x, means x square plus 2x plus 1. So we have, if you leave the bracket, then we have minus 5x square minus 5 to the 10x minus 5. Okay, so we have to put this value here. So minus 5x square minus 10x and minus 5. Now this is a negative, so we have to do the subtraction. So it is positive, it is also positive, it is also positive. We have to change the sign. Now this both will be cut. Here is minus 5x square, here is plus 5x square. Plus 5, minus x plus 10x. Minus x plus 10x, we have plus 9x. And 5 plus 5, we have 10. It is a remainder, it is a quotient. So we have to write the final answer. Quotient q of x is equal to 3x minus 5 and remainder r of x is equal to 9x plus 10. Here the power of remainder is always less than the power of divisor. Okay, this concept is important. So we can do the division in this way. If you are not able to calculate direct this sum, then you have to do this type of rough work. But in examination purpose, there is no need of this rough work. Now third question, divide 3x square minus x cube minus 3x plus 5 by x minus 1 minus x square and find its quotient polynomial and remainder polynomial. Okay, we have to do the division of this both, but first of all it is the value of p of x, it is a dividend. So p of x is equal to 3x square. Okay, first of all we have to rearrange it. First is highest power. Highest power is what? Minus x cube. Then plus 3x square. Then minus 3x and plus 5. We have to make a rearrangement. The power are 3, 2, 1, 0. The power are always in descending order to do this division. It is a basic rule. Now g of x is x minus 1 minus x square, but we have to rearrange this in descending order of according to the power. So we have minus x square, it is the first, then plus x and then minus 1. Clear? So we have to rearrange this like that. Now we have to do the same division of this same. So we have to write here minus x cube plus 3x square minus 3x and plus 5, and this is the divisor. So minus x square plus x minus 1. Now we have to do the division of this. Then how we can start the division? If you are not able, then you have to do the rough work. Okay, try to solve without rough work. Here is minus x cube, here is minus x square. So here sign is negative, here is also negative. So here is only x. If we write here only x, then x into x square, we have minus x cube. But if you are not able to identify how we can put the value here, then you have to do the rough work like that. Here is minus x cube and here is x square. So we have to write the division of minus x cube upon minus x square. This minus and minus cut. Here is x cube and here is x square. So the answer is only x. So I put the x here. Now you have to do the multiple of this x with whole g of x. G of x means this divisor. This is the minus x square minus x plus 1. So minus x square plus x minus 1. Okay, I have to do this multiple with this x. If you leave this bracket, then the answer is minus x cube x into x plus x square and x into 1, but minus x. Now you have to put this whole value here. So the answer is minus x cube plus x square and minus x. Now you have to do the subtraction of this. Then here the sign you have to change. Here is negative, so here is positive. Here is plus, so here is minus. Here is minus, so here is plus. Okay, now this both will be cut. Plus 3x square minus x square. 3x square minus x square, we have only 2x square. Now minus 3x and plus x, we have minus 2x. Okay, minus 3 and plus 1, so we have minus 2, and this plus 5 is we have to write here. Now we have to repeat this same process again to find what value we have to put here. So here is 2x square and here is minus x square. So 2x square upon minus x square. 2x square upon minus x square. This x square cut and this minus sign applied with 2. So the answer is minus 2. So you have to put this minus 2 here. So here is minus 2. Now you have to multiply this minus 2 with whole g of x. G of x means this minus x square plus x and minus 1. If you leave this bracket, then minus minus plus, so 2x square, here is 2x square. Now minus plus minus 2 into x, we have 2x, and minus minus plus 2 into 1, only 2. You have to put this value here. So here is 2x square minus 2x and plus 2. Now you have to do the subtraction of this. Then here is minus, it is a positive, so here you have to write negative. Here is negative, so you have to write here positive, and this plus is minus. Now this both will be cut. Minus 2x and plus 2x, this also cut. Plus 5 minus 2, the answer is 3. So it is a remainder and it is a quotient. So q of x is equal to x minus 2 and remainder r of x is 3. So we can do the division in this way. Okay, if you have any doubt about this rough work or any step, then you can message me or call me. Okay.